office in Columbus, Georgia. Okay, whereas the Smith and Goss family began its rich legacy in North Carolina, and family members are planting their roots all across the nation, and whereas this weekend, July 6th through 8th, 2012, family members have gathered in Columbus, Georgia for a time of recognition and reflection of their family's heritage and the impact it has made on their lives. And whereas the Smith and Goss family will honor its heritage and help preserve its history by coming together for fellowship and family renewal by celebrating their past, present, and future in Columbus, Georgia. And whereas the City of Columbus is proud and honored to host the 2012 Smith and Goss Family Reunion and Friends Reunion, a celebration of generations of love. And whereas in recognition of the value and importance of families, the City of Columbus welcomes and congratulates the Smith and Goss family on a special occasion and extends best wishes for a highly successful reunion and fun times shared by all. Now, therefore, Teresa Pike Tomlinson, Mayor of Columbus, Georgia, do hereby proclaim July 6th through 8th, 2012 as Smith and Goss Family and Friends Reunion Weekend in Columbus, Georgia.